Without a doubt, brakes play a vital role in all vehicles. As we all know, cruising at high speed without having a way to slow down or stop the vehicle is among the worst experiences one can encounter. There are two mostly used and known types of brakes. That's the disc brake and the drum brake. We will get into more discussion about them in another video, but today I want us to dive into the most crucial component used in the drum brake system. Hello guys, I'm TigerG and welcome to TigerG Virtual Garage. Here it's all about automotive parts. And please guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. This is the drum brake system, mostly found on the rear wheels of most vehicles. But at the heart of the drum brake system lies one component that works the magic, and that is the wheel cylinder. Here is an overview of the drum brake system. We have the wheel drum, the brake shoe, the back plate, the spring, and finally we have the wheel cylinder. Here is the wheel cylinder. This is a crucial component in the drum brake system that converts hydraulic pressure from the brake master cylinder into mechanical force for braking. The wheel cylinder is made up of different key parts, and we will be going through each part and their function. So we have the main body. It houses the piston. We have the pistons, usually two on each cylinder. They move outwards when pressure is applied. We have the seals. They prevent leakage of hydraulic fluid and maintain the pressure within the cylinder. We have the spring. They return the piston back to normal position and also maintain the gap between the two pistons. You have the inlet port. This is where the hydraulic fluid enters the cylinder. We have the bleeding port, used when removing air out of the brake line through a process known as bleeding. I will show you this process in another video. And finally, we have the dust cover. This one prevents moisture and dust from entering the cylinder. Now that we have known the different parts making up the wheel cylinder, let's get to know how it works. So when the driver presses the brake pedal, the pressure is created in the brake master cylinder. This high pressure is transferred through the brake lines into the wheel cylinder. Since the hydraulic fluid has a property in which it is incompressible, that pressure is applied on the piston and they move outwards. This movement pushes the brake shoe against the drum and friction is created. Thus, the car slows down and ends up stopping. When pressure is relieved, the spring on the back plate and the one inside the wheel cylinder returns the piston back to its original position. Thus, a smooth operation of the brakes can be maintained. On our next video, we will be discussing the signs of a failing wheel cylinder and how to deal with them. Thank you guys for watching. Please do drop some comment on the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get my latest video as we grow together. That's all for today. Bye bye and see you in the next video.